Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Cooking with Chef and More. We are getting ready to make a Southern classic favorite, guys. Pecan pie. Some people say pecan, some people say pecan. It doesn't matter how you pronounce it. It's an amazing pie and we're getting ready to make it. If you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, simple, easy, and made from scratch, subscribe and tap that bell so you'll always be notified every time I upload another amazing, awesome recipe. Because guys, guess what? I've got a whole channel full of recipes and food that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is roll out our pie crust. Guys, this is a buttery, flaky pie crust. It's a no-fail pie crust. And if you want to learn how to make the actual pie crust, click the link right above, guys. I've got a whole video step by step showing you exactly how. This is already made. It's been in my refrigerator for a while. So we're going to just roll it out and get it into our deep dish pie plate. So first I'm going to just spray my plate just lightly. That makes sure your crust comes right out of the pie pan. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, sprinkle a little flour out so we can roll out our dough. And go ahead and get this pie crust made. Pie crust is all done. Set that aside. Okay guys, once you're all done with your pie crust, you want to set it back in the refrigerator while you prepare your filling, whatever that filling may be. That will ensure you have a flaky, buttery crust. Because in order for your pie crust to come out flaky and buttery, Well, it's probably going to be buttery anyway. You have so much butter in it. But the flaky part of it, it needs to be cold. It needs to go from cold directly to the oven. And the only way you're going to get it that way, after working with it so much with your warm hands, is to put it back in the refrigerator while you prepare the rest. So we'll be right back. Okay, guys, so the ingredients we're going to use will be, of course, pecans. Now, I have pecan half. You can use chopped pecans or however you want, but these are just halves. I like the halves. This is light corn syrup, vanilla extract, eggs, and melted butter. Of course, we have our sugar. Now what we're going to do is just mix all of our ingredients together in this bowl. So I'm going to crack my eggs one by one in this little dish first, because I want to make sure I don't have a bad egg going into all of my mixture. You're going to mix everything together with the exception of the pecans at first. We'll add those in last. And as always, guys, all of the ingredients will be in the description. Okay, so all of our eggs are really good. And I like to just kind of go ahead and bust my egg yolks and kind of mix them together just a little bit, not much, just a little bit before I add the rest of my ingredients. Okay. Okay guys, now our filling is all made with the exception of our pecans. We're going to stir those in just a moment. But first, I've taken my pie crust out of the refrigerator and I'm just going to cover the edges in foil because they will brown a little bit too fast. So I want to cover them in foil, just the edges. And you want to make sure you do this first before you put your pie filling in so that you can ensure that you have plenty of room to work with to cover your edges perfectly, as well as not get the foil down into the filling, because then when you go to take the foil out, it will also pull up some of your filling. So we're just going to get this all covered up right quick. All you do is put it around the edges. Real simple, real easy. And actually, guys, they actually have something that you can buy that you just put down on it as well. I just might as well use some foil. Yes. Okay. And you need 3 or 4 pieces. Looks like I'm going to need 3 pieces. It just depends. Sometimes the edge of your pie crust may be a little bit larger than others, requiring a little bit more foil. We're going to bake this pie in a 350-degree oven for, about 60 to 70 minutes. We'll take this foil off during the last, maybe 5 minutes or so of baking, just to make sure that the edge is brown. Nice and golden too. Okay, guys. So we've got the pie crust all ready to go. Set that aside just for a moment while we go ahead, give this one more quick stir. While we go ahead and put in our pecans. Now, I'm going to put in about a cup of pecans. You just pour them in. There's no rhyme or reason. As the pie bakes, the pecans will rise back up to the top. And that's how you get that layer of pecans on the top with that custard-like filling underneath. So just pour them in. Enough, and if it's not, once I get it in the pie crust, then I can go ahead and put a few more right on top. if I need to. Just get them mixed in there a little bit. Like I said, they're going to float back to the top. And then pour your filling into your pie crust. And we don't want to leave any of our love in the bowl, guys. So make sure you get it all out. Make sure you get it all out. Set that aside. Okay, guys, I'm going to put just a few more pecans right on top here. Just a few more. We like our pecan pie to have lots of pecans. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look good? Yes. Make sure they're all nicely put down. Okay, guys, we're going to go in the oven. We're baking this pie again, 350 degrees for about 60 to 70 minutes, and we'll be back when it's time to come out. Okay, guys, we are out of the oven and our pie is done. Take a look, take a look. Isn't that amazing? Yes. Okay, guys, let's get in here. It's still really hot, so I've let it cool some. I hope it has cooled enough where I can cut it nicely. Okay, guys, let's see if we can get us a good slice out of here. I'm not sure if it's set all the way through, but guess what? Oh, we'll find out. How about that, guys? How about that? And it's not quite set, but that's okay. We're gonna work with it. I would just say, guys, for your own personal pie, make sure you let it cool all the way through, which takes a couple of hours. It's only been about an hour for this one. So I am going to get it out of here. And it's okay if it falls apart some since it's not cool. Oh, but look at that slice. Look at that, guys. Yes, not bad to say it's not cool yet. And you know what, guys? I forgot my fork. So let me get a fork and I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and taste this. Yes, look at this, guys. Isn't that amazing? Yes, it smells so good. It looks good. Y'all know y'all want some. Now, come on. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is delicious. I love pecans, period. If you love pecans, pecans, whatever you want to call them, anything you want to call them, just call it delicious. Yes, guys, come on now. I know you want a slice. Look at that, guys. Look at that. This is so good. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, come on now, what you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that button. And do not forget to tap the notification bell. So that you will know every single time I upload an amazing video. Guys, leave me some comments, give me a thumbs up, and share me out. I need to go get me a nice, tall, cold glass of milk. Yes. Thank you all for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen. And guys, this crust is buttery, it's flaky. Crispy. Oh my God. Guys, the holidays are coming up. This is a perfect pie. Thank you again. I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.